Smartsheet is a work execution platform with the power to transform the way you plan, manage, and act on work. With the Smartsheet mobile app, you have real-time access to all of your Smartsheet content from your mobile device, so you can maximize your productivity on the go. Let's take a look at how to start using the Smartsheet mobile app. In the home screen, you'll find all your sheets, reports, and dashboards. To quickly find the Smartsheet items you regularly use, open up the Recents tab. Add your frequently visited items to your Favorites tab. Quickly search for sheets, dashboards, and other items from the Search tab. The Notifications tab allows you to easily catch up on all notifications, updates, and requests. To create a new sheet, you can either start from scratch or pick one of our templates and modify it. Use your mobile device to capture barcodes, location, and photos anywhere, and add them directly to Smartsheet. In the Sheet menu, you can share your work with others, add or open forms, or change your sheet view. There are 5 sheet views: Grid, Gantt, Card, Calendar, and List. As you change views, your data will dynamically change, so you can work the way you want. And that's how to get started with the Smartsheet mobile app. To learn more, check out our Learning Center.